Hi, I'm Jake. Welcome to my salon here in Barrio Maravillas in Malasaña. Right now, nandito tayo sa waiting area ng salon. No? This is a Japandi concept which is inspired by the Japanese style as well as the Scandinavian style. So makikita nyo, very, like warm tone ang mga wood, like this table. Also, I have here some Buddhist art, like this one, this one as well, which is a Manjuri painting, which I acquired from, let's see, saan ba to? Sa Nepal. No? When I went to Nepal, in a monastery, I stayed there for at least 2 weeks, so the monks give this to me. And I have some statue from Indonesia as well. At another statue from Indonesia, this is a female and female. This is Tara painting as well, coming from the monastery in Nepal, which was given also to me by my monk friends. This one as well. And dito, meron tayong rocking chair, which is very Scandinavian ang style niya. This is made by Ames. So kung makikita mo, Scandinavian, usually meron silang mga very pastel-colored furnitures. So, dito yung waiting lounge ng salon. Dito naghihintay ang mga kliyente. Now, let's go here. Ito yung table, yung aking shocking na frontal design para pagpasok ng kliyente, makikita nila kung ano yung mga products na ino-offer ko. So, of course, these are the products that I usually use, which are all organic, as well as bottled crystal. So, dito yung inspiration because parang alchemist because usually hairdressers, hindi lang naman basta gupit lang kami. So, meron kaming nagmi-mix kami ng mga colors. So, parang gusto ko na make a little bit of science yung concept ng salon. So, I put, this scientific chemistry eclaboo. Anyways, okay. So, this corner, meron akong fountain. Okay? So, this is a feng shui. One of my feng shui masters told me they have to put, a flowing water. So, dito ko siya nilagay. So, very Japan as well, no? Kailangan naman talaga yan. It's good for business as well, no? It's luck. Okay, so now, let's enter my working space. Dito ang working space natin, okay? Nandito na tayo sa working area. So, this is the chair where I cut hair. Meron tayong big mirror, which nagugulat lagi ang mga kliyente kung bakit ganito kalaki. Well, actually, since na binuksan ko ang salon, since 2000, nandito siya, hindi ko siya mabuhat, hindi ko siya mailagay sa iba because it's so big, no? It would take at least 3 na tao to move this. So, mas-stuck na lang siya dito. But I think it's okay naman, di ba? So, I love this. No? Then, meron ako mga paintings, which these are all mga artists nito, is Spanish artists. No? These are my friends as well. No? So, yung mga iba, binili ko, yung mga iba, bigay sa akin. So, ganon. No? So, nandito naman tayo sa aking retail section, retail area. Itong mga products na to, usually, it came from Italy, no? But they have a distributor dito sa Spain. So, I usually look for different brands that I can work with. Pero dapat align siya sa principle ko, which is cruelty-free product, sustainable product, as well as, vegan. Very important sa akin yan. And as much as possible, I don't want them to use plastic. At kung plastic man, it has to be biodegradable. Okay? So again, since I'm a Buddhist, again, I have a Buddha statue, which is Tara, to protect us from any evil things that's happening in the salon, which wala namang nangyayari. Then, again, I have 2 paintings as well. Coming from, this is I think Ivan Solves, and this is from Ricardo Cabolo. He's very famous right now. So, binili ko siya, medyo mura pa, baka ngayon medyo mahal na. Okay. So, right now, nandito naman tayo sa another working station. Another chair, which I don't use, kasi mag-isa lang ako. Usually, I use this one. Then, here is the washing area. Wash area natin, no? So, matagal na to. I think, dapat palitan na, pero at this moment, ito muna siya. Then, here is my washing shampoos na ginagamit ko. Of course, kung ano yung retail na binibenta ko, yun din ang ginagamit ko sa salon, no? So, pero mas malaki siya. So, again, I'm using Kemon as well as Away products. Then, here, makikita nyo, ito yung mga color na ginagamit ko. No? So, this is the parang color bar area. Tapos makikita na nandito rin yung mga iba pang kailangan gamitin ko. Nandito naman tayo sa kwartong ito, which is dito, another storage room. And this one is going to the bathroom. But, check the tiles. My floor tiles. I love this. Ang ganda-ganda niya. This is hydraulic baldosa ang tawag na, baldosa hydraulico, no? Which is very, very Spanish, no? So, nauso siya. Ewan ko kayong kuuso pa rin, pero I love it, no? This is isa sa mga very importante sa salon as well, no? Ang tawag namin doon, Climazone. This is the heating and treatment for the hair, no? So, ozone siya. Kaya, okay siya. Actually, hindi ko masyadong gusto kasi ang aesthetic niya para bang alien ang dating. Pero, I can't do anything. It's supposed to be this way. So, yan. Then, nandito tayo sa isang, again, hindi kasing laki nung other mirror. I love this mirror because, of course, may Japanese style, which is the bamboo. No? Engraved bamboo dito. Then, may papakita ako sa inyo. May nakatago doon sa dulo. Ano yan? That is a turtle. Kasi according to my Feng Shui master, kailangan daw ng turtle sa northwest part of the salon. I don't know why. I just, comply. Nag-comply lang ako sa sinasabi niya. So, wala namang mawawala. You don't have to believe them, no? But, just put it there. You might be wondering bakit walang masyadong chair, and actually, ako lang talaga mag-isa dito sa salon na nagtatrabaho. Because, first and foremost, I don't believe in democracy. That's the first and foremost. And the second, this is not only about cutting hair, it's about having experience, no? So, para sa akin, pinaprioritize ko yung mga ganong klaseng bagay, no? Para nga sabi nga ng mga bagong clients, they always ask me, Jake, your salon is so big, put another person. I don't want so much person in the salon. No? And I cannot work with a lot of pressure. So, gusto ko one at a time. Everything is supposed to be scheduled. So, this is the way I run my business. It might not be good for other salon, but it works for me. So, I think, isa yon sa mga pinag-iingatan ko na hindi mawala sa salon. That kind of experience. So here, bababa ulit tayo, no? Dahil meron akong secret door. Actually, hindi siya door. Wala siyang pintuan. Anyway, dito naman ang aking office. So, dito ako kumukubra ng bayad using my card. Ang liit, no? Diba? And nandito yun na may mga books ko na which is kailangan ko rin. Habang, syempre, sa salon, kailangan mag-aral ka eh. Kaya marami ako mga videos and yung mga courses ko. And I read books when I'm bored. No? And again, paintings. These are, ito binigay sa akin ng isang client ko. No? So, very siya eh. Astrological, eklabo ang peg niya. Kaya I love it. No? This one is, ito binili ko to eh. Nakalimutan ko na kung saan. Siguro sa Rastro. Ito, ang ganda diba? So, binili ko rin to. Actually. So, paper, whatever. Ano tawag dito? Paper collage or something. And you know what? I love Pablo Picasso. I can't afford a painting of Pablo Picasso. So I have Pablo himself. Look, it's Pablo with graffiti, you know. I can have a Picasso painting, but I can have Pablo. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-gay na painting ko. Look, di ba? Ang kanyang barba ay pinagdikit. So, bahala na kayo mag-imagine kung ano ibig sabihin yan. Anyway, so ito yung aking office as well as dito ako nagkukubra ng payment. Okay, so bye-bye! See you next time! Sana next time makita nyo, ay pumunta kayo dito para ma-feel nyo talaga ako rin ng salon. No? Yung experience. Bye-bye! Bye! Bye-bye!